Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Thapelo Maseko has agreed a 3-year contract with FC Copenhagen. The Bafana Bafana winger is now set to leave Mamelodi Sundowns for Denmark. Sundowns reached a club-to-club agreement with the Danish giants FC Copenhagen over a transfer fee earlier this week, paving the way for Maseko to make the transfer. The 22-year-old is expected to fly out for his medical this weekend, after which the transfer can be formally completed. The move brings an end to a difficult period for Thapelo Maseko at Gloorkop. Despite playing a steering role for Bafana Bafana at the 2026 FIFA World Cup, including scoring the winning goal against South Korea as South Africa reached the knockout phase of the World Cup for the first time in the country's history, Maseko was surprisingly omitted from Mamelodi Sundowns pre-season tour to Austria last month. The attacker had already made it clear that he wanted a fresh start, with coach Miguel Cardoso recently confirming that the player had expressed his desire to leave. He joined Mamelodi Sundowns from SuperSport United in 2023 after a breakout campaign with Matsatsantsa, and he was a key player under Rulani Mokoena, winning the AFL trophy, where he played a steering role, winning the AFL Player of the Tournament in the inaugural African Football League. In 2023, he also played a key role in Bafana Bafana winning a bronze medal at the African Cup of Nations in Ivory Coast. However, opportunities became increasingly limited. After falling out of favor, he spent the final 6 months of last season on loan at Cyprus with AEL Limassol, where he revived his form and forced his way into Bafana Bafana squad just before the World Cup. Because before he went to Limassol, he was frozen out of the squad at Mamelodi Sundowns. He wasn't playing, and when he played, we saw him playing for the reserve side, for the DStv Diski Challenge side. However, his form with Limassol was so impressive that Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos had to call him. However, Maseko was not keen on a return to the Cypriot club AEL Limassol over payment issues in the final months of his spell there. And now, FC Copenhagen's decision to buy Maseko outright now gives him the opportunity to continue his career in Europe and compete at the club with ambitions on the continental stage. This means he will also follow in the footsteps of South African legends such as Sibusiso Zuma, who made 188 appearances, scoring 53 goals for Copenhagen after joining the club in 2000. For Maseko, the Copenhagen moves represent a significant new chapter after a turbulent spell at Sundowns, and Copenhagen have agreed a fee of 1.5 million euros for Maseko's signature, and Mamelodi Sundowns has agreed to that amount, which is about 28 million rands, meaning that even if Maseko wanted, there's no way he would have moved to a Betway Premiership club, because I don't believe there's a team in the Betway Premiership that would pay that sort of a transfer fee. Now it is a good business for Mamelodi Sundowns to pocket almost 30 million for Thapelo Maseko. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this transfer? Are you happy with this transfer for both Mamelodi Sundowns and also for Thapelo Maseko? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of the news for now. See you next time.